Hello from Ladakh.
Hi guys, very good morning. We are off to Leh Ladakh today and really excited for this trip. It's been long since we traveled and yeah, looking forward to it. We'll show you guys around. Let's go.
I'm so happy. This is one of my dream destinations and the sky is super clear. I haven't seen the clouds and the sky is so clear and so nice. The weather is pleasant. It's about 23 degrees. We thought it was going to be very cold, but it's not. You can just wear like a t-shirt and denim and you're good to go, at least for Leh. Right now we're checking in and I'm constantly sniffing camphor because that helps you acclimatize.
Just day one and we've come to this local hospital in Ladakh because Prachi wasn't feeling fine. She was having difficulty in breathing because of the altitude. We've got her this oxygen mask from the chemist. Going to give her some oxygen so she feels better. She breathes normally.
Good morning guys, it's day 2 in Leh and we're checking out from our hotel. All we did was rest on the first day, so there's nothing much that we did vlog, but yeah, there's definitely something that really happened. I didn't quite acclimatize well. I had to be taken to a hospital for oxygen. I'm feeling fine now, much better, and we're taking things very slow. So it's very important for you guys to acclimatize when you come here. We were just resting, but I don't know, somehow I just had some issues in breathing and headache. So without wasting any time, we left for a hospital. And we had oxygen cylinder in our room all throughout the night in case of an emergency. So I would suggest that, you know, for the first 1 or 2 days, just take it very light. Don't exhaust. Don't try out anything. Now we are having our breakfast.
Love these trees over here.
What's up? So we're checking out of the hotel. This is the Hotel Carl and we stayed here for the first night at Leh. It's approximately charged between 3 to 3,500. They have oxygen facilities, Wi-Fi facilities. Unfortunately, it wasn't operational during our stay, and it's close to the market. We have this beautiful garden. Look where we are. Hi. We've come to the Grand Dragon for our lunch. Very pretty. This is the Zaskyat restaurant, which is a multi-cuisine restaurant, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but that's what the restaurant's called. And this hotel is one of the best hotels in Leh, and the restaurant looks good. Let's see how the food is.
Come, let's go.
Now we're heading to our first place, which is Leh Palace. Leh Palace is near the main market, which is about 5 to 6 minutes from the main market. And we're taking a bike today for the first day. Hope I'm able to acclimatize before we head to Nubra tomorrow. so taking it really slow. Also, if you're planning to take a bike, you need to take it from the market, and the bike prices are anywhere between 1200 to 1800 depending on the power of the bike. So we took a 250 300 cc, and the higher you go, it's slightly expensive. We are on our way to Leh Palace. The roads are a bit confusing, and don't follow Google Maps. You need to ask people at every spot to take the right turn. So please ask the locals for the right route. See, this is very confusing. You have 3 roads and you have to ask the locals at every point in time. Arrived at Leh Palace, and this is right between the mountains. We came here on a bike. There are different routes for bike and taxis, and there's a different route to walk and come to Leh Palace. And the view is spectacular. Glad we took the first day very easy, just staying in the hotel. And even on the second day, we just came out in the second half and didn't exhaust ourselves much. The entry ticket to Leh Palace is about $25 per head. Let's see what's inside it. And we're right in time at the sunset. It's a very peaceful place. There's chantings that you can hear from all across Shanti Stupa. And I'm panting because we walked a bit to come here. But look at this, how beautiful is this place. The views are breathtaking, and this place defines its name, Shanti Stupa, and it's damn peaceful. It's very peaceful.
This is the war memorial.
I think they have
Flag right there on the top.
Yeah, and they have their light show every evening at 8 o'clock
Where? Here?
here in the outdoors.
Oh wow. Oh my god.
This is the tribute to everybody who's brought victory home.
Wow.
This is unbelievable. Each and every soldier a memorial for that.
It's amazing.
We are right now in the village called Nimu, and Nimu is a very small village near Sangam Valley or the Sangam confluence. It's a very beautiful small sort of a village, and we are taking a road trip from Leh and now heading towards Likhir Monastery. Likhir Monastery is very less visited monastery, but it's got a very huge statue of Buddha. And so Kunal is here. Just left. Okay. And so yes, let's get on. It's already 4 o'clock. We need to get back to Leh by 7, so we're running short of time. See you soon.